Now, if in case like you can say that that we need to avoid fire because we take into account many combustible substances in daily routine, and we do have them in at homes and markets also. So precautions to avoid fire is the premises carrying out the combustible materials like the petrol pumps, the LPG, the firecracker shops, they should be outbound. That means they should be situated at a safer place so that they do not catch fire. Second, all the combustible materials which you are using at home should be safe, and or you can say should be away from the flame and all which we are using in kitchen and all. And if in case if somebody gets fire, then the best way is to pour water, pour sand, or put off the main switch in that case, in case of fire also. These things you can actually take precautions in order to avoid fire. But if in case a person catches fire, then what you can do is you can wrap immediately the victim with the thick blanket to cut off the oxygen supply. Second, he should be taken to an open space. Third, ice packs or the cold water can be used, and victim should be immediately rushed to the hospital in case of fire for the medical treatment. So this what you can do, the first aid what you can do before taking him into the hospital, and these things you can actually take into consideration to avoid fire.